Hello everyone, in this video I am going to highlight some travel tips you should know if you are planning to visit New Zealand. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more travel videos. Let's get started. New Zealand is the #1 travel destination for Australian travelers, but it is expensive than you think, especially if you are planning to do adventure sports like bungee jumping. This can cost you a couple of $100 per person. Glacier heli tours is another expensive activity. The prices can start from $300 New Zealand dollars and go up if you are planning to do glacier hikes. Waterfall climb in Wanaka is another activity you can try if you like adventure sports. And famous jet boat ride, which again start from $150 New Zealand dollars and can go up. So my advice is to consider low-cost accommodations like pod hostels, shared rooms, or private cabins where you can stay for low cost. Most of these places have shared kitchens where you can prepare quick meals. Plan for all weather conditions. If you are planning to visit Tongariro Alpine Crossing, you can see all 4 seasons in a single day. Weather can change as you reach the top, and it may rain, so prepare yourself before you begin the hike. And some part of the country can get colder during morning and night, even during the summer season. As an example, Milford Sound temperature can drop to 10 Celsius during summertime. If you are planning to visit glaciers, it is hard to get a better view without going on a heli tour. This is the closest you can see glacier by foot. So if you are planning to do a glacier hike or a glacier heli tour, allow extra day around the glacier area, because glacier weather is constantly changing and it is very common that the tours get cancelled on the day without any prior notice. So if your travel tour gets cancelled before you board the helicopter, you will get a full refund. But if you have an extra day, you can still book another tour the next day and you may get a chance. Plan your road trip around scenic drives. If you are doing a road trip in New Zealand, you can drive through few of the most scenic roads in the world, like Milford Road, Lindis Pass, Mount Cook Road, or Arthur Pass. Take extra care in unfamiliar roads. It takes a lot longer to take to places than you think. Many roads in the New Zealand can be narrow and have plenty of sharp corners. Most of the roads are single lane. It is important to allow plenty of time and go slow, and you can pull over in a safe place if traffic wants to pass behind you. Learn New Zealand road codes. There are plenty of bridges that only have one lane, and you have to read the sign and decide which side of the vehicle gets the priority to pass the bridge. Remember, New Zealand is very popular as a tourist destination, especially in summer months. So book your accommodation and any other activities well in advance. I hope my tips will help you to plan your New Zealand trip. Enjoy!